Now we will continue with our topic of sensors. We will see a small track tracing on an electronic board of an LG inverter unit. Here we have the position of the sensors. Please observe the components that work alongside the sensor. In this case, the components are much smaller than the boards we were previously seeing. Well, you have to follow the tracks in a more delicate, patient, and attentive way to be able to observe. Observe, near the temperature sensor we have certain capacitors and resistors, and several tracks that directly lead us to the microprocessor. All of these are components to review in cases of temperature sensor error. To review these components, sometimes you will need to have some kind of magnifying glass or microscope. In this case, I am looking through the camera screen, but if I look with my own eyes, it will even be quite difficult for me. I see it better as you are seeing it through the camera. At a glance, these numbers are illegible. And through the camera, you can see that it has a resistance of 12.1 K. Well, very well, with patience, review these tracks in these temperature sensors. And we will move on to a slightly more complex board. I will show you a board from a unit, as it is commonly called, Chinese. Let's see that the location of the sensors that is at this point also is very close to those delicate components. And the peculiarity of these boards is that they are double-sided, that is, they have printed tracks on both sides. Here we can see some of those components that have a direct relationship with temperature measurement. The microprocessor is a little further away. Let's see what we have on the other side. Look, here we have a track. The tracks of the sensors that use components that are on the other side. Here is the tracking. They cross to the other side through those perforations. And on the other side, we are already almost at the microprocessor. There it is. With patience, we place the tester in continuity and follow the tracks when we have temperature sensor errors. With a lot of patience, the resolutions are achieved. And we do it this way. Very well, we will do more tests, but now measuring voltage in the sensors. We will build a board in the next video. And we will measure some of the voltages we were talking about. Please leave a comment if you have any questions.